Hello guys, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we are going to learn about Pandas dataframe.notnull function. So what is Pandas? Pandas is an open source Python library that is built on top of NumPy library. Pandas enable us to use Python programming language for efficient data analysis. Pandas helps us in cleaning and preparing data for various analytical purposes. Pandas can work well with variety of data sources like SQL, Excel sheet, CSV file, and many others. Now let's see what is data frame. Data frame is a two-dimensional heterogeneous data structure with labeled axes. For data analysis, we store our data in Pandas data frame. Pandas data frame has various built-in methods which helps us to perform various operations on our data. Now Pandas dataframe.notnull function detects any existing or non-missing values in the data frame. The function returns a Boolean object having the same size as that of the object on which it is applied, indicating whether each individual value is NA value or not. NA values are missing values. All of the non-missing values gets mapped to true and missing values gets mapped to false. In Pandas, characters such as empty string or numpy.inf are not considered NA values. Hello guys, welcome back. So now we are going to see the implementation of the notnull function. I'm using Jupyter Notebook to run my Python script. If you're using some other tools, it's fine. So first we import Pandas library as PD. I'm gonna go ahead and run it. Now we create the data frame. I have already created this data frame. I'm gonna go ahead and run this line. So now we have created a data frame called df. Now let's see what does it look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and print the data frame. So this is what our data frame looks like. Now we will use df.notnull function to find all the non-missing values in the data frame. So I'm just gonna type it down and run this. So as you can see in the output, all the values are true, indicating that there is no missing values in the data frame. Let's see another example. So for this example, I need to import numpy library as np. I'm going to go ahead and run this. And I have created this data frame. I'm just going to go ahead and run this one. As you can notice, this data frame contains some missing values like this, none, and all. So I'm going to go ahead and print this data frame. So if you look over here, this is a missing value, this is a missing value, and now we check all the missing values using notnull function. I'm going to run this, and if you see at the output, the function has returned a false, indicating that this is a missing value, this is a missing value, and this is a missing value. So that's how we use notnull function to find out all the non-missing as well as the missing values in our data frame. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.